guys, this is Tanika and welcome to Magnolia Home Decor. Hey, this is Tanika with Magnolia Home Decor. Welcome to another segment of Personal Touch. Today I would like to talk to you about another quartz from Silestone. This one is called Stellar Blanco. And Stellar Blanco is one of my favorites because of the bling effect that it has. This is a gray, like different hues of gray, a light gray, dark gray with the bling. So if you're into the diamond effect, the sparkle, this would be an awesome quartz in your bathroom or your kitchen. And also, I thought maybe we could pair this with the Grand Haven flooring. This Grand Haven has a hue of the gray as well. So if you see those two together, that will work excellently in your kitchen or your bathroom. And then I thought maybe if you wanted to add a little bit of a neutral flooring and give it just another type of color, you can also bring in the Wabash, which is more of a chestnut kind of hardwood flooring. And that would work really well together as well. And if you just wanted to do something just a little bit out of the norm, you can do this sparkle quartz with this marble look tile. You can accent this any way you want, but I would definitely have stainless steel sink and stainless steel faucets. This is a Silestone by Constantino product called Stellar Blanco, or also known as Stellar Snow. Hint the other reason why I like this stone. Thanks for watching, and remember, you can always find us on the World Wide Web at magnoliahomedecor.org or give us a phone call, 678-272-6565.